In this video, I'll show you how to create a shortcut on an iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open the Shortcuts app on your phone. Then you're going to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen to create a new shortcut. If you want to search for a specific action, go ahead and search it in the search bar. But as you can see, if you scroll down, you're going to see all the different options that you can create for your shortcuts that your iPhone is suggesting. After you find the action that you want to create, go ahead and tap on it. And once you choose your action, you're going to customize it as needed. So for example, if you choose to send a text as your shortcut, you're going to go ahead and add your message, and then you're going to add your recipients. After customizing your actions, go ahead and tap on Done. And as you can see, you're going to see your shortcut right here on the main screen. Now, the most efficient way to use your shortcut would be to add it to your home screen. And to do that, you simply have to tap anywhere on your screen. Then you're going to tap on Edit right here at the top left corner. And then you're going to select Add a Widget. Now here, open the search bar and type Shortcuts, and your iPhone will show you all the shortcuts that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and select the one that we just created. And as you can see, it's going to be added to my home screen. And now if I want to run this shortcut, all that I have to do is tap on it. It's going to take a second to load. And now I will be able to send the message that we just created as a shortcut. Hope that helps.